In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a minimum order quantity on your Shopify store. We're going to do this using a Shopify app, and I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along on your own store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the very top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field that appears, type OC quantity and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for an app called OC Order Limits Quantity Break. Once you find it, go ahead and install the app and follow the on-screen installation prompts. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken automatically to the app's dashboard inside your Shopify admin. On the app dashboard, you should see a card at the top labeled Theme Extension. On that card, click the Activate button. This will open your Shopify theme editor in a new view. Inside the theme editor, look at the left-hand panel where your theme sections and apps are listed. Find the item called Orichi Quantity Discount and make sure it is enabled or toggled on. When that's done, click Save in the top right corner of the editor. After saving, look back at the left panel and click Manage App to return to the OC Order Limits app dashboard. Now, on the app's left-hand sidebar, click Limit Purchase under the OC Quantity Breaks section. This is where you can choose how you want to limit orders. You'll see options to limit a product, a collection, or an entire order. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on limiting a specific product. Click the option to add a product that has a limit. Next, you'll create the actual limits at the product or variant level. Start by choosing whether you want to set a limit for a single product or for multiple products at once. Click Browse, and a pop-up will appear showing your products. Select the product or variants you want to apply limits to, then click Add at the bottom right of the pop-up. Once your product is selected, check the box that says Limit Purchase for the whole product. Here, you can set both the minimum purchase quantity and the maximum purchase quantity. If you set the maximum quantity to 0, that means there is no upper limit, only the minimum will apply. You'll also see some optional checkboxes. You can choose to apply this limit to the customer's lifetime, to only tagged customers, to specific countries, and you can set the minimum as the default quantity on the product page, so it appears pre-filled for your customers. When you're happy with your settings, don't forget to click Save at the top near the search bar. That's it. Your minimum order quantity is now active on your Shopify store.